So when you order a TT machine from the distributor, you'll be sent two boxes. One box will have the stand for the machine, which I've opened there, and the second box will have the actual TT head in it with the power pack. So what I'll start to do now is actually show you how we begin to put this together. Okay, so now I've unpacked the cartons just to show you what's inside each carton. Here we have everything from the stand box, and beside it we have everything that goes along with the TT head itself. So now I'll go through and show you step by step how we put all this together. To start with, I'll show you how we put together the floor stand. So firstly we take our pole, we get a leg and our plate. So we grab one of the screws, put that through the locating pin. We get our plate, put it over the top, put a washer, one of our spring washers, and one of our nuts, tighten that up, repeat the process. The other side, washer, spring, and nut. So now we've got our first leg on, and then we go around and continue the other three legs until the stand's all complete. So now you can see we've completed the floor stand there with all four legs on, and now I'll show you how we mount the bench stand, just in case you want to mount it to the bench instead. So we take our bench plate, put that on our bench, and then we use the two C-clamps that are provided to mount that to your bench, just to keep things nice and solid and stop them moving. You repeat the same with the second bench clamp, just to make sure it's all safe. So now we can move on to putting our body together of the stand. So to start with, we take this part here and we grab our adjustment pole, and what we do is insert the pole into the base of the stand, making sure that the collar goes up over the base, and then we tighten up the little screw on the side here, just to make sure that locks in nice and tightly, like so. Now I'll use a floor stand just as an example for this demonstration. So what we now do, that we've got our body together with the adjustment pole, we now take the pole, slide that in the top of the floor stand, and again making sure the collar goes over the stand, and then we tighten the bottom screw just to make sure it fixes nice and tightly. We can now loosen our little adjustment knob here and allow that stand to fall down further down the pole. So our next step is to attach the paper holder that goes at the back of the stand, and to do so we simply put that on top of the bracket, line up the holes, push our screw through, and take a washer, one of our spring washers, and then fix it with a nut. So as you can see, it's all tightened up at the back, and we repeat the same on the other side. Now that the stand's all put together, we can now go ahead and start putting our TT head and power pack onto the stand. So to start with, we'll take our power pack with its guide pins, and we just slide that over the bracket to hold it into place. Once we've done that, we can now attach our foot pedal. To do so, we take the end of our lead, you can just sit the pedal up there for now, and we attach it to the foot pedal position at the back of the power pack, like so. So our last thing to do is to actually attach the TT head to the stand. And to do that, take our head, place the head over two screws, and we simply put our washer, our spring washer, our nut, tighten that up. We do the same to this side. And then all we have to do is attach our cord that's attached to the head to the power pack, like so. Screw that up. Now as soon as I turn on the power, the machine will be good to go.